we can start exercise 7.2. So before starting 7.2, I am reminding you 3 points about triangle. Okay, so all these points you know that you studied in lower class. First one, a triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. You know that what is isosceles triangle? If two sides of the triangle are equal, then we can call it as isosceles triangle. Next is angle opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So if two sides are equal in isosceles triangle, suppose these two sides are equal, then opposite angle of this side is this one, correct? This side opposite angle is this one. So if these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. That is explained in the second point. Okay, the sides opposite to the equal angles of a triangle are equal, just opposite of this one. If two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, then their opposite sides, these two sides are equal. Okay, so by using this concept we have to prove something here in exercise 7.2. So I am reminding these 3 points. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. If two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. Okay, just remind these points and keep in your mind. Okay, next, exercise 7.2, case number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC, let me draw the figure. Okay, so this is a triangle. In an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given in the question. These two sides are equal. Okay, AB is equal to AC, which is given in the question. The bisector of angle B. Bisector means this line is dividing the angle here and here into equal two parts. So these two angles are equal. Bisector of angle B and angle C. So this line also divide the angle C in equal two. So these two angles are equal. Intersect each other at the point. So bisector of these two lines are intersecting here. So this point we can call it as O. Join this O to A. So A and O I am joining. Okay. We have to prove that OB is equal to OC. Which is OB? OB. This one is equal to OC. This side. We have to prove first. Second part, AO bisect angle A. So this one, AO, this line is bisecting this angle A. That means we have to prove these two angles are equal. Okay. So first I am proving that AOB is equal to OC. So I am starting with the given point. What is given in the question? These two sides are equal. Correct? So I am writing AB is equal to AC. What is the condition which is given in the question? Again, if already I told you, if two sides are equal, in the question it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Correct? So if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So opposite angle of this one is equal to angle C. Opposite angle of side AC is equal to angle B. So I am equating these two angles. Angle B we can write it as angle ABC. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. You should write the reason angle opposite to the equal sides. Okay. Next I am multiplying half here and half here because here we have bisector. So I am writing it in the terms of bisector. Okay. So I am taking the half, multiplying half here. So if I want to multiply half here, I should multiply it on the right hand side. Otherwise the value will change. So I am multiplying half on both sides. So half of ABC. What is half of ABC? That is CBO. CBO. This angle. I am writing this one. So angle CBO we can write half of ABC. That means this angle. So this angle we can write it as angle CBO, which should be is equal to half of ACB. So half of ACB, how can we write? Half of ACB. That means angle BCO, this angle. So we can equate these two angles, correct? So angle BCO. So you should write the reason OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C respectively. That is why half of ABC we can write it as an angle CBO. Half of ACB we can write it as angle BCO. So I written these two. Okay. So So if these two angles are equal, now we got these two angles are equal. What is our third property? If two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. If we are taking the triangle OBC, these two angles are equal. Angle side opposite to this angle is this one. Side opposite to this angle is this one. So we can equate here BO is equal to OC. So this one we have to prove first, correct? OB is equal to OC. So first part proved. What is the reason? You should write the reason inside the bracket. So what is the reason here? Side opposed to the equal angles are equal. Okay, again I am writing half this one. Again one more time I am writing. So first part over, we have to prove the second part. So for that I am writing the same statement. Half of ABC is equal to half of angle ACB, written here. Okay, so half of ABC is equal to half of ACB. So first we took these two angles. Next I am taking these two angles. Half of ABC we can write it as ABO. So I am writing here angle ABO is equal to, we will get here ACO. Angle ACO. Same reason. Because OB and OC are the bisectors of angle B and C. Okay. Next I am taking the triangle ABO and ACO. This triangle and this triangle. Okay, so in these two triangles, in triangle ABO and triangle ACO, we got two angles are equal, correct? So we can write angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. We proved here. Reason you should write proved above. Okay, already we proved. Again, in these two triangles, BO is equal to CO. That is, we proved above. So we can equate these two sides. BO is equal to CO. The reason is same, proved above. Okay, again in this question it is given that AB is equal to AC. That is given in the question. So in these two triangles we can equate sides AB and AC. So AB is equal to AC, which is given in the question. Reason I had written inside the bracket. So side angle. So by using SAS, side angle, we can write these two triangles are congruent. So I am writing these two triangles are congruent. What is the reason? By using SAS congruent criteria. So if these two triangles are congruent, then we can equate their corresponding angles. We have to prove that this is bisector, correct? So I am equating these two angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle OAC. By using CPCT, we can write these two angles are equal. Okay. So I am writing angle OAB is equal to angle OAC. What is the reason here? By using CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. Okay. These two triangles are congruent, so we can equate their corresponding parts, corresponding angle I equate here. So if these two angles, this one and this one are equal, that means this line is AO is bisecting the angle A. So we can write here, so which implies AO bisect angle A. So second part we have to prove this one. So after this proof you should write proved. This one we have to prove. So last statement proved.